Tired of flimsy garden hoses that kink, leak, and barely last a season? You're not alone. If you're looking for a tough, long-lasting, heavy-duty hose that can take on any job, you're in the right place. In this video, we're reviewing the best heavy-duty garden hoses built to handle high pressure, rough terrain, extreme weather, and no more wasting money on hoses that don't last. Stick around to the end to find the perfect hose for your garden or job site. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's jump right in. Product 5. Giraffe Tools Garden Hose. Just got the Giraffe Tools Garden Hose. Let's unbox it. Wow, this hose feels super lightweight right out of the box. Check out that hybrid rubber polymer material, looks tough. The hose is 50 feet long, 5/8 inch thick, perfect for my yard. I love the 3 millimeters thickness, sturdy but easy to handle. Let's look at the swivel handle, moves smoothly, no resistance. Connecting to the faucet is effortless, thanks to the handle. Nickel fittings feel solid and leak-proof, no drip so far. Twisting the hose, the swivel handle stops it from kinking. Flexible in cold and heat, still coils easily on chilly mornings. I tested water pressure, 150 pounds per square inches, works perfectly for my sprinklers. Great for home gardeners, DIYers, and pros, super versatile. Tip: smooth out the hose before use to avoid kinks. If kinked, just rotate the handle to fix it instantly. Lifetime support from Giraffe Tools, really reassuring. Highly recommend this hose. Check the link in the description to learn more. Product 4. Best 150 Fußmetal Garden Hose Set. Tired of garden hoses that kink, leak, or break easily? Meet the Hyper Hose. Engineered for unbeatable durability and strength. Crafted from premium 316 stainless steel, 40% stronger than standard hoses. No more leaks. Naval brass connectors guarantee a tight, secure seal. Hybrid TM sleeves reinforce the most vulnerable hose parts for extra protection. Flexible, lightweight design makes maneuvering and storage effortless. Weather-resistant and rust-proof, built to withstand all seasons and conditions. Dog bites, rough edges, heavy use. This hose stands up to it all. Enjoy a versatile 10-way zinc spray nozzle for every watering need. Thumb-controlled water flow lets you customize pressure with ease. Includes a sturdy wall mount hook for neat, organized storage. Need more length? Easily combine hoses for up to 250 feet. Backed by a 3-year warranty and outstanding US-based customer support, over 2 million hoses sold, trusted by professionals and homeowners alike. Ready for a hose that truly lasts? Click the link in the description to check it out now and see why homeowners are making the switch. Product 3. Heavy-duty premium garden hose. Water sprays everywhere, my old hose explodes under pressure. My garden's soaked, my pets are drenched. Chaos reigns. Why does every hose kink, leak, and tangle up on me? I struggle, twisting and turning. Nothing works. Frustration builds. Suddenly, I spot the Langara heavy-duty premium garden hose. Transparent swivel handle, 360 degrees brass fittings. Intrigued, I investigate. 5-layer braided design, 300 pounds per square inch is working. 1,000 pounds per square inch is burst strength. No more kinks, no more leaks, no more chaotic messes. I connect it effortless, secure, and fast. No struggle. No drama. Turn on the water steady, powerful flow, even in freezing cold. Pets play safely, garden flourishes, car sparkles, total control returns. Extreme heat, freezing cold. Langara hose stays flexible, never cracks. Professional grade durability resists chewing, tearing, and punctures. No kink memory. Every coil is smooth. Every use is perfect. I finally found the ultimate hose, my garden's new hero. Don't miss out. Click the link in the description to check out the heavy-duty premium garden hose and take your outdoor chores to the next level. Product 2. Heavy-duty garden hose, 50 feet. Struggling with heavy, bulky hoses every watering session? Tired of hoses kinking and stopping water flow unexpectedly? Fed up with leaks, rust, and unreliable connections outdoors? Traditional hoses fade, crack, and wear out too quickly. Meet the EOOIO heavy-duty garden hose, redefining outdoor watering. 50 feet lightweight hybrid hose blends durable rubber and PVC materials. Non-expandable design stays light, easy to carry, and store anywhere. No more Kink's flexible hybrid material defies heat and cold. Leak-proof copper bullet connectors prevent rust and breakage. Handles up to 200 pounds per square inches working pressure for powerful performance. All-weather flexibility keeps your hose reliable year-round. Ergonomic nozzle offers multiple spray patterns for every task. Perfect for gardeners, homeowners, and outdoor enthusiasts alike. Enjoy hassle-free watering, cleaning, and outdoor chores. Lifetime brand support ensures your satisfaction and peace of mind. Check out the product link in the description and upgrade your outdoor gear with the hose that's built to last.
Product 1. Pocket Hose. Copper head. UV or pocket pivot. Why does my hose always kink and stop the flow? I twist, I yank, but water barely trickles out. My plants are thirsty, my patience is running dry. Is my garden doomed by a tangled, leaking hose? Wait, the spigot connection bends, the hose twists tighter. I hear a snap. Did my hose just burst? Suddenly, I spot the pocket hose copperhead UV. Its pocket pivot swivels 360 degrees, pivots 180 degrees, no more kinks. The force field jacket resists tears, 3 times stronger. Tri-Tex technology, triple-layer latex core withstands 650 psi. APT connectors flex and swivel, no leaks, no creases. I control water flow easily with the thumb valve, no squeezing. The hose expands to 50 feet, then shrinks for easy storage. My garden flourishes. Watering is fast, smooth, and effortless. Don't let kinks ruin your day. Choose Copperhead now. Check the link in the description to grab your new favorite garden hose. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, drop a comment below with your thoughts or questions. And of course, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on more awesome garden gear and tips.